The Zalitz.
How's it going, guys? I am the Zalitz, and welcome to some Unturned. So this is like a survival game that's like Minecraft. Maybe it'll be good, maybe it'll be shit. Let's play and find out. Okay, so before I jump into the game, let's see what the character options are here. You can actually change your hairstyle. What the fuck? Am I supposed to be naked? I can't actually rotate. Oh, I can rotate myself here. Oh, look at that hairstyle. Yeah. Oh, such. Oh, the graphics, man. Oh, jeez. I guess there's a reason why this is free to play, so you've got to respect that. Okay, so it's not quite as Minecraft as I expected it to, but the graphics are still, you know, that sort of level. I don't want to say crap because they're stylistic, but they're crap. So can I like chop this tree down with my fists? Is this like a proper Minecrafty game? Yeah. Am I even gonna know? Bash, 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 yeah. So I don't know how far this actually goes into the crafting side of things, or even if it does. You might only be able to loot like Daisy. I guess I can't cut that tree down without an axe. Okay, what's this here? Is that a zombie over there? It's coming, friends. It looks like two cars. Oh wait, there's a town. I'm gonna head to the car first to see if there's anything worth getting. Oh, it's like a campsite. I see. Let's check the tent over here first because I can't see any zombies. So, alright, what's inside of here? We got some trousers. Oh yeah, and some civilian bullets. How do I put these on? Press 1. Right click. Oh yes, I got trousers on. I'm not so naked anymore, guys. This is a good thing. Right, let's go and say hello to the zombie over here. Wait, there's another tent over there. I might kite him. I might kite around the edges. Oh, he's seen me anyway. Oh, he's a little chef. Oh, why has he only got one arm outstretched? Damn sound effects. Oh, he's not even hitting me. Oh, okay, he didn't hit me. Am I killing him? Can I kill him with my fists? Is this like... Am I gonna die? Am I gonna die? No. I'm gonna have him. Screw it. Die, you chefy man. I am not your food today, sir. Right, so he's down. I've lost my bearings now. The car's over here. So zombies are actually semi-strong, I guess. Binoculars, no idea what to do with them. A note. Ah! Hello. I guess that's a... Hello. Right, I've got a frying pan. Can I use it? What even is this? Ah! Leave me alone! Oh, it's like a flare. It's a glow stick flare. I don't really want these binoculars, to be honest. How do I drop them? There we go. So are these bullets? Stop eating me! It's not very nice. Right, I'm dying here and I'm just like running around tables. Is this the tent I've already been in? I'm gonna say no. Though I really don't know. No, it's not. Oh, shit. Oh, screw you. Screw you. No, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I just want the shirt. Just leave me alone. I just want the shirt. Why did I not have enough space? Chase the thing. Okay, let's just kill myself. No. Oh. I don't know how to get away from these zombies, really. See you guys. Oh, he's a builder. I want a gun. Find me a gun. Dude, you got a gun? I guess the only way to get rid of him is to kill him. I need like a melee weapon. That'd be decent, I would. Oh, I can't climb through the window. No energy. Ah! No! I want the shotgun shells. no, 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 no. Leave me be. Leave me be. Let me go. Let me go. Can't sing that song. I can't sing that song. It's stuck in my head. Something rotten. Oh, darling, leave me alone. Oh, so many darlings. Darling! The water actually looks quite nice considering the actual graphics of the game. Is that a Lego block? Looked like a Lego block, that did. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Jump! 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 So, on first look at this game, like, I've had nothing so far that I can actually kill a zombie with. I don't know. I really don't know anything about this game. I just saw it was free to play. I saw it was like a survival game. A lot like Minecraft. I thought, you know what? There might be. Ooh, might be something to this. Do I have any bullets? Oh, I do. I had one bullet. Oh, good. I got a shotgun. Yeah, so I really know nothing about this game. I don't know if it's an alpha. I don't know if it's just like a mod that somebody made. God knows. Just leave me be. I want an axe or something. Jump out the window. Jump out the window. Jump out the window. No. Come on. I finally have something I can do. Something I can use. Yeah, I got a shirt on. What's... Oh, winner. Yeah! Right. Now I've got this. Huzzah. I love the sound effect there. Just when they're like standing on spikes. I feel like I need like a backpack or something. Because only being able to hold 4 items is poor. I hear zombie. There you are, sir. What are you running at me like that for? Ha! You did! Everything looking like really grayscale just because I'm nearly dead. Come on, that's not how death works. Let's go and be He-Man and kill all these. I have the power! I want your hat, sir. It is adorable. Oh, I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Okay, guys, so that was Unturned. It was actually surprisingly okay. Maybe a good one to play with Dave and Hello in the future. We'll see. Anyway, I have been the Zalitz, and catch you next time. Goodbye.